When you write a document, browse the web, or play music on your computer, you're using something called application software. But what exactly is it? In this video, we're going to explain what application software is, how it differs from system software, and why it's essential to your everyday digital life. Unlike system software, which helps your computer operate behind the scenes, application software is designed to help you perform specific tasks, like writing in Microsoft Word, surfing in Google Chrome, editing photos in Canva, or watching videos in VLC Media Player. These programs are built for user interaction and come in many types: productivity software, media players, design tools, games, educational apps, and more. Some are installed on your device, while others run on the cloud through a browser. Whether you're a student using a learning platform or a business owner managing data, application software powers everything you do. It's flexible, task-focused, and built to meet your needs. To explore more examples and real-world uses, check out the full article on exploretoday.blog. And if this helped simplify your understanding, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech guides.